Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin highlights Milestone as first German F-35A jet moves to final assembly line. Lockheed Martin announced on November 21 that the German State Secretary visited the company's Fort Worth facilities. The visit included the symbolic signing of the first F-35A for the Luftwaffe, which has entered the final assembly line. According to the schedule, the aircraft will be completed, undergo its maiden flight, and be handed over to the user in 2026. The first German example carries the factory number MG-01 and will initially be based at Ebbing in Fort Smith, where Luftwaffe personnel will train on operating and maintaining the F-35A Lightning II. German pilots and technical staff will train alongside Polish and Finnish counterparts. Germany has ordered 35 aircraft through the FMS procedure to meet national and allied needs. The Intergovernmental LOA agreement was approved on December 14, 2022, and deliveries are due to begin in 2026. The first aircraft will be used for training at Ebbing, followed by the arrival of initial examples at their home base in Buchel in 2027. For Germany, the main role of the F-35A will be participation in NATO's nuclear sharing program. The aircraft will be configured to carry and employ U.S.-supplied B-61 nuclear bombs, replacing the Panavia Tornado IDS currently in service. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.